Good morning, retail traders. I'm going to give you this morning's sneaky snake watch list, and we're going to be adding and subtracting to it. I hope you joined that session yesterday. We talked about how to take a trade on one trend line and a little bit about patterns and pivot points. It was a pretty good lesson. We'll be talking about it all this week. We'll also be talking about my sneaky snake swing trade plan that I'm building in the month of August. And we're going to be looking for opportunities. So far, Bitcoin, the only concerns I have in the market is tension in the world, Middle East, thanks to Biden. We also got the COVID cases are expanding, which we've already been through that, which can still cause a little pullback. And then I mostly worry about inflation worries. So we're going to go ahead and go right into the Bitcoin trade here and move on down my watch list with the high volumes, and we'll just kind of run right through it. I wish everybody a good day, and here we go. Let me fix a few things here. So we got Bitcoin, kind of had a real good run here all the way from $4 up to about 18. We need to consolidate a little bit. If we pull back to this lower channel of 1529, 1621, I might take the trade unless we escape this here resistance level and bust past 1879. I might jump in the trade there too. We've got AMD. AMD I think needs to pull back also to this 105 area, 106, maybe 107 to jump in the trade. That's where my support level is. If it decides to break resistance today around 12.50, I might take the trade up to about $2 or maybe ride it up a little bit higher. But I still think we got a few more days to consolidate and then have that consolidation run to the right. AMD, Mara. Mara's been on a good run. Bitcoin's been upgraded, so it's one to be watching. Mara got to pull back to 33.63 for support. The first one's right here at 34.28. Let me get that in here. 34.28. So this is definitely on watch. Any kind of knife would be nice. 32.13 would be an excellent entry. But we'll see how this thing goes. We can probably run up to 36, 36.50, 37. Let's look at the bigger chart here. Yeah, we got a resistance to break here, and that next one's going to be right around 36.09. 37.65. So we'll see where this goes. Pullback support's going to be that white line first at 33.63. Hood. Let's look at the 5-day, 5-minute. We pulled back to that support level. We got a descending pattern. I think we can pull back down here to a double bottom at 50. Take it up to 58. RIOT's also the Bitcoin play. Support level right down here at 34.70 to take the trade. The first one is going to be 35.36. SPY, little pullback this morning. Let's look at the 1 minute. Building a flag. I think we'll consolidate to the right, maybe pull back to a double bottom. Nile, China concerns. I'm not bullish on Nile. Uber's going to consolidate to the right, pull back a little bit. XPEV, it's on my list. I'll keep it on watch. It's got some pretty good volume today. Apple's pulled back to that 146 support level that I like. Let's look at the 20-day. Got a strong buy down here at 144.32 if it decides to pull back and retrace it back up to 146, 147. Apple. Plug, I'm in the plug at 26.50. Right now we're at 26.13. Got in right about in here on Friday. So if we get back up, break that resistance, I want to try to take it at least to 27.50 channel, 27.50. I'm going to go ahead and draw that trend line right in here. Smack down. That's my target. 27.50. NVDA, I'm bullish on. I think we can get up to 207 today. Break the resistance level of 205.56, 57. Somewhere in there, 205.50, 60. General Motors had a General Motors has pulled back again. I talked about this yesterday, how much I dislike General Motors. We still pull back to around 52 for a strong buy. Run it up to the 200. Unless the 200 breaks, you can take it up to about 56.74. Square broke out of the box. I think it's going to consolidate to the right. LVS swing. I'm in this one here for a long 6-month swing. Need to break 41.50 and hold 40.50 today. Unless you'll pull back and hit this 200, retrace it back up to resistance. Boeing needs to pull back a little bit over COVID concerns. So we got that 200 is going to be our support level. It's going to be the pivot point. Means it can drop down below it and then bounce back to the 200. So we got the 200 for the first one. That second support, let me open and expand this a little bit to the 20-day. Right down here at 223.48. Maybe even here at 225.32. Yeah, I like that real well. This little channel in here. Sava looking good this morning. I'm going to clear this chart up. I've done my 3-step trade with it. So right now we need to go ahead and try to break that 200, but that's going to be your resistance level. And this 50 is going to be your support level on the daily 1 hour. This was a great sneaky snake trade. I'm planning on holding it longer, but I hit my resistance in stage 3, the 200, so I got out. Roku's pulled back. Keep it on watch. We got a triple bottom down here with a pocket pivot. If the pocket pivot breaks this 50, she can run up to 431. Got a little pocket pivot. She's pulled back, so it's not beat that resistance yet on the 50 SMA on the 20-day 1 hour. Snap's consolidating to the right. Low support on Snap to hold, $73. Twitter's in consolidated phase here. We took it to resistance on the sneaky snake. Now she's pulled back. Keep it on watch. I think if we get a higher low on this, we can build that flag that we're needing to build. The resistance line to break is going to be this one right here. We'll extend it to the right. So if we get past 67, 68, if we get past 68, this will be a good trade to take up to the resistance line of 70, 74. And that's it for the Sneaky Snake market report. Wish everybody a great day. We're going to get in here and we're going to kill it and tear it up. The only concerns I have is inflation. Then COVID is going to be as long as they keep talking about it here on CNBC and keep pumping COVID, mandates, and that's going to keep the market a little stagnant to the right. So there's going to be opportunity to take. The only concerns I said again is inflation worries, and then we got the Middle East kind of blowing up again. Israel threatened for regime change in Iran. So we'll just see how it goes. I wish everybody a great day, and always remember retail traders. That was a little Elvis in me. Practice makes perfect.